channel, guys. If you are new, hello, my name is Blanca Estela, and if you're not, welcome back. So this video, I'm going to be unboxing both November's and December's Ipsy's, just because I thought it was going to be easier than doing two. Before I keep going, I do want to say that I do have a giveaway going on my Instagram right now. I am giving away a conspiracy palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics and Shane Dawson, along with other amazing products. It does end on December 31st, and I will be picking a winner on January 1st. So it's my last giveaway of the year. That sounds so crazy to say, but yeah, you guys want to enter, head over to my Instagram. And thank you guys for watching the video. And now we'll continue with the rest of the video. Bye, guys. Yeah. So I'm going to be unboxing both of them today. I am wearing some of the products on my face today. I'll tell you guys which ones I am as I show them to you. And yeah, I wanted to show them both in one video also because so first I'm going to show you guys the bag, because we did get a bag for November. We also got a bag for December. So November, we got this cute little leopard baggie right here. Super cute. And then it's a brown on the inside. So that is so cute. And it doesn't say Ipsy on this one. Oh yeah, it does right here. Sorry. So that's the bag. Super, super cute. So I'm going to go in order of the little booklet of the items, so it'll just be easier. Okay, so the first product that I got in my November Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is the Punk Voluminizer Mascara by 𝙬𝙬. I think that's how you pronounce the brand. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is the packaging. And then this is the actual mascara. I'm wearing this on my bottom lashes. I am wearing lashes, but I did put this on my bottom lashes. To be honest with you, I didn't do much for my lower lashes. I did get this once before. I forgot where I got it. If I got it from Ipsy when I had the regular Ipsy subscription, or if I got it from another one subscription, but I didn't like it, and I gave it to my mom. And I got it again, so I'm probably going to give it to her again because she actually liked the mascara, so I'm probably just going to give it to her. But that's the first product. This mascara retails for $24. If you love the look of false lashes, then this mascara is for you. It delivers on drama and length without any smudging, flaking, or clumping, and it's from 𝙬𝙬, a beauty brand founded by two fashion and beauty pros who celebrate expressing individuality through makeup. And then it just tells you like tips on how to put it on and stuff. But yeah, I personally don't like the mascara, but if you guys like it, good for you. Okay, moving on. The next one is a blush palette. This one is from Seraphine Botanicals, and this is their Happy Hibiscus blush palette. This is the packaging right here, and this is the palette. And these are the blushes. This has 4. It has 2 matte ones and 2 shimmer ones. I am wearing these 2 matte ones right now. I did mix them and I applied them, and it's pretty pigmented. Really, really pretty shades. I wanted to do the shimmer ones, but I don't want to be too shiny. But to be honest with you, I can actually use these as highlighters, because girl, they're so pretty. So I'm probably gonna use them as highlighters in my next video just to see how that looks. But I do really like the blushes on this palette. I did once get a blush from them. It was another shade and it was so pretty. It became one of my favorite blushes, but I did run out of it and I forgot the name of it, and I can't find the little container anymore. So but I do really like these two. And this palette retails for $48. Makeup that's healthy, organic, and fair trade, so you can feel good about using it. This vegan blush palette is made with 99% natural ingredients, and it's flattering on every skin tone. The peachy and shimmery shades can be mixed and matched for a custom glowy flush. So I did mix those two, and girl, looks pretty. The next item is a primer. This is by 𝙎𝙤𝙢𝙕. And this is their Hydra Veil Refreshing Gel Primer. So that's the packaging. And then This is the actual packaging of the primer. You open it up. So this, I think it's supposed to be a little spoon to scoop it up, because I'll show you guys why, but I just use my finger. So this is what the actual primer, it's the jelly. Watch, you touch it and you see all the texture it left, but if you shake it, watch, if you move it around, it goes back to normal. That is so weird, but so cool. I did apply it to my face today before doing my makeup, and actually liked how makeup looked afterwards. It did hydrate my skin, and I was gonna be scared that it was gonna make me oily, but since it is a gel base, my skin immediately soaked it up. And girl, as of right now, I do like it, and I do recommend it. But yeah, if you have oily skin, as of right now, I do recommend it. It did hydrate my skin. This primer retails for $45. The ultimate time saver Hydra Veil is both a hydrator and a primer, instantly moisturizing and smoothing your skin in one simple step. The futuristic clear gel formula absorbs quick, so it's the perfect step before foundation application. That is so true. Like, damn. So I'm probably gonna be using this for a while. Like, I'll probably start using it under my matte primer. We'll see how that goes. Okay, the next thing is a bronzer duo. This is the 𝐺𝐺 the Stick Sculpt Bronzer Duo. And then 𝐺𝐺 is like literally gorgeous. She is so pretty, like, girl. And then this is the packaging of the compact, and then you open it, and comes with two bronzers. It comes with Turned and Extra. I'm not sure which one is which, but okay, no, this one is Turned and this one is Extra. And I did use it to contour and to contour my nose, and I just mixed both of them, and yeah, it was easy to apply. It blended out pretty good, and as of right now, I still have it on, so it's lasting. And it does come with a mirror, so that's a plus. This bronzer duo retails for $24. Named for the YouTuber personality, author, and activist 𝐺𝐺 is a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials to get your glowing on your own terms. These versatile shades can be worn alone or layered for a bespoke bronzing effect. The last item for November's box is a lipstick, and this is by 𝙬𝙤𝙢𝙀. I think that's how you say it. This is the packaging of the lipstick. This is their cream lip color, and this is in the shade Smoking on Screen. And I do have it on right now. It is a pretty shade. It is not matte, but it's not shiny either, which I like, because I hate shiny lipsticks. And this is the packaging of the lipstick. Pretty cool. And then this is the actual lipstick. And then the packaging of the lipstick is so pretty. So like I said, I am wearing it right now. It looks darker on the tube, but when you apply it, it is kind of a more pinkish shade, which I'm not mad about. I still like it, and I do recommend it. It applied pretty easy. It is pretty comfortable. And yeah. This lipstick retails for $26. We think this might be the most perfect fall lipstick ever. Made by 𝙬𝙤𝙢𝙀, a cruelty-free and vegan brand, this deep berry shade with blue-red undertones is infused with argan and jojoba oils to nourish and protect while coating your lips in a creamy color. Pretty. So what I got for November. Now I'm going to show you guys what I got for this month, the month of December. Oh, so lately they've been sending me emails to pick one of the items, and I did pick the 𝐺𝐺 one. So I was pretty actually excited that I picked this one, and they still send me the blush palette. So I was like, hell yeah. Okay, so for this month, this is the bag right here. Pretty cute. It is silver and metallic, and the inside is blue. The first thing is a eyeshadow quad. This is by Ipsy and this is their build your own palettes, but this is the Van Nys eyeshadow quad. It's, I don't know, I'm so confused, but this is the packaging of the eyeshadow palette, and you open it, and this is the packaging. I like the packaging. It is leather, and then this is the actual palette right here. It comes with a mirror, and then these are the 4 shades. So it is only 4 shades, but I do have to say I do like how it has the little plastic thing right here. You can just flip it. I'm not wearing this on my eyes though because it is only 4 shades, so I couldn't think of a look to just use this palette. I was gonna have to obviously dip into another palette, so I didn't use it, but I will use it in another video. It has 2 shimmer shades and 2 matte shades. So this palette quad retails for $60. $60 for 4 shades. What? Oh. Okay. The ultimate winter eyeshadow quad. This versatile combo of matte and shimmery shades flawlessly mix and match for everyday looks or party ready smoky eyes. And the powder's soft buttery texture blends just as easily as a cream. We are obsessed. That is pretty cool. That is just crazy, y'all. $60 for full eyeshadows. Are they charging for the palettes? I don't know. I haven't used it though, so the quality must be really good then. But I'll let you guys know when I try it. So the next thing is by Tarte. I did also choose this product. I saw this and I was like, bitch, put that in my bag. So I did get the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Setting Spray. This one right here. I always wanted to try it, so when I saw that I could pick it, I was like, I'm gonna get it. So this is the actual spray right here. Girl, this smells so good. And the sprayer is amazing. Like, I was spraying it because I thought I wasn't getting any on my skin. And then I opened my eyes and I was like drenched. I was like, oops. But then I used my little fan and it dried. But it dried down really quick too, and I think because of the spritzer, because it is really, really fine. So first impressions, I like it. It did set my makeup really, really good, and my face looks flawless. But it smells so good, you guys. I was so excited when I knew I was going to get it. I was like, hell yeah. So this setting spray retails for $25. This makeup setting mist from Tarte is a bestseller for good reason. This microfine spray with cooling aloe and cucumber extracts. The wonder smells so good. Keeps your look from melting, cracking, fading, or setting into fine lines up to 16 hours. A must-have for hectic holiday schedules. That is so cool. I was gonna do a wear test on a makeup because I'm testing out a concealer, and I really wanted to test out also the spray. But it is midnight already, and girl, I'm not gonna stay up like another 6 hours just to do a wear test. But I'm gonna try it out for work on Tuesday. I do work 10-hour shifts, and we will see how it looks at the end of the day. I'll let you guys know on my Instagram. Okay, so the next thing is a eye cream. This is by Verso Skincare, and this is the Extra Nourish eye cream. So this is right here. I haven't opened it, so I don't know how it smells. It doesn't smell like anything. So this is an eye cream. It retails for $65 for this little thing right here. Damn, girl. Make this nourishing eye cream from Verso Skincare a part of your daily skincare skin regimen. Sorry. And prepare to be seriously impressed. It's packed with liquid ceramides and hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin, plus antioxidants to ward off fine lines and discoloration. Girl, I have some fine lines under my eyes. They've been there since I was little. and I can't find anything to get rid of them. I mean, they're not that bad, but maybe this will help. But yeah, that's the eye cream. The next thing is an eyeliner. This is by also 𝙎𝙤𝙢𝘾𝙄𝑗𝑎𝑚𝑎𝑠K. 𝙎𝙤𝙢𝙢𝑃𝑔. I don't know how to pronounce brands, I'm sorry. And this is the liquid liner. This is the liner right here. I am wearing it as well, and it is pretty pigmented. It did apply pretty good, and yeah, I do like it. This eyeliner retails for $22. Supple Flakes Dramatic Wings Graphic Cat Eyes. This liquid liner does it all with a super precise felt tip that makes drawing crisp lines a cinch. In the formula, it's 100% budge proof, so you don't need to worry about it running or smearing during the day. That is so cool. Let's try it out, okay? Yep, didn't smudge or anything, so pretty cool. Last thing, last things, is by 𝙎𝙤𝙢𝘖𝑗𝑎𝑚 Organic. Okay, no, so the brand is called 𝙎𝙤𝙢, and this is the organic lip balm set in peppermint and vanilla. So it is 2 lip balms. The first one, the top one is vanilla, and the bottom one is peppermint. Sorry, what the hell am I doing? There we go. So for the set of 2, it's worth $7.98. This balm leaves lips soft and supple with 100% certified beeswax and organic coconut, olive, and essential oils. A hint of stevia helps indulge your sweet tooth and protect your lips from the winter chap. That is so cool. So they both smell really good. I'm gonna throw probably the vanilla one in my purse and leave this other one on my vanity. So you can never go wrong with the lip balm, you know. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I did unbox both. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. If you guys are interested in trying Ipsy, there is a link down below. You guys can click on the link and it'll take you right to Ipsy, and you can apply, and you can subscribe for the subscription. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, bye guys.